Hello everyone. So this is a simple overhead camera which can be used for YouTube videos and recording of whatever projects you are making. Wear the hand gloves because you will be working with materials like aluminium. So first of all we are cutting all these pieces with a hacksaw blade. Once done we will be using a punch mark to mark a small punch, and now we will be using a hand drill so that we can make a hole. So let us take, you have around 3 mm screw, so you take 3 mm, and if you have 5 mm you can use 5 mm. Now you can use the nut and bolt and then you can tighten it up and your frame will be ready. So normally we have to tighten 4 nut and bolts to make the whole frame. So after the product is made, it will something look like this, and then you can use a green cut mat.